Storytelling has come a long way since the days of gathering around a campfire under the stars. Actually, in our hustle and bustle lives, that doesn't sound half bad. And while that is still an awesome way to tell stories, now we have video applications available to us within a few taps. We can build and tell our stories from, well, pretty much anywhere. Learning new applications can be confusing. But don't worry. Join me this summer as we explore the different Adobe video applications on your iPad. Together, we can begin building your story.